Hi, hello everyone. I hope you all are good. So last video, so most people are supported very well. I get good comments on that. For people are asking about why don't you start with in Hindi language these channels. You must be understand there was a video in the beginning itself that started about for in English itself. For sure, we're coming back for to the multi languages. Definitely will work for the multi languages purpose. So today we'll discuss about how to cut to the concave layers, bulky layers, which is an existing part which is already having layers, and just some more to create the layers, and on top of that we just enhancing to the layers and just saving to the same length. So almost the center profile we just do, and just side sections we already separated, and another side we're just separating for section. So this is one of the simplest haircut and easiest to be carried with any kind of haircuts and layers, adding to the existing part with again more layers for that. For in this haircut, I just most recommend you guys for who wants to be something bouncier part and just keep they want to be upgrade to the top to bottom layers. I think is ultimately recommend this haircut video. So in the started in the back onwards, we can just cut to the same the one length basic first, and just we take to the center profile and just we trimming back to the bottom sections for a one length, just 1.5 inch. And top of that we just with extending with the layers to the which is can comes to the rest of the hair, just shaping out of it and just coming to the proper good finishing of layers. The only thing is it will be end of the day this haircuts it will be only show by the presentation of the dummy and synthetic dummy. We don't show anything like in the blow dry styling parts, but hope you can just bring it back to the new kind of the videos on the live models. Till then, keep patience and do watch and do support me. Will definitely will update to the good knowledge for the sure, and just with upcoming videos it will become you can just get to see a lot of more to creative videos. So we just come to the center profile and just we standing to the side behind, and just we taking to the center profile section and just we cutting off to the rest of 120 degrees almost, and just be adding the layers which is this side and that side, we balancing it with a curve basis up to the rest of the hair. We just cutting it off, and bottom nape area should be remain same length. It will be carry forward the length maintained, and rest of the parts we just converting to the layers. In this haircut we just taking to the pivoting sections, and rest of the hair we just adding the layers. And you can just please with till the end you can just see the massive results, and just until the cannot be leave out from away from this video. I hope the previous videos and the upcoming videos will be improving a lot more, and just thank you so much you guys for just updating for your comments for according to the requirements for sure, and I'm really happy with that cases. And just please do share with your friends if you like the videos, and we just every videos we just coming for the free knowledge for sharing to the as a hairdressers and almost the new beginners and existing as super duper hairstylists also. It will be for everyone to be helpful and boost up for to the good haircuts knowledge for the ideas which can be contains. We can just clients purpose you can just if you want to use for that, and your customers also never get bored in that cases, and you can also just suggest to them different haircuts for the each and every time, and they are also happy, we are also happy, and the build will be the customer building will be consistently very stronger within us. So that can be need to just expecting with all of you guys. So one side is completely finished. I'm just checking with a cross check with complete up to the portion with lifting up to the 120 to 140 degree with the rest of their check. And just the same part which is carrying forward with another side which is taking to the diagonal sections, parallel section with the top to bottom, the pivoting which is called the slice pizzas kind of it. If you have any doubts in this technique basis, please let me know comments below. Will definitely will clarify your doubts and all. So the same thing we just consistently following the thin sections and just cutting the rest of the hair, and just the rest of the part we just chopping it out, and the same another side we just take the sections and just adding the layers. You can just see the pivoting part and just according to the towards to the showing purpose and just rotating to the dummy. So last section where we can just came out with the last point, and never need to be there something like over direction in these haircuts and all. So just take over there itself and just left them there itself and just cut it accordingly, and just you can see the massive results. And this part also we're just cross checking it overall. So nothing was left, just pinpoint, maybe you can just see the bow key up to the hair. And now we came back to the side section, just bottom one length. And same in this, now in the side bases we just work on the vertical section. So exactly standing behind of the dummy and just lifting up the rest of the hair, and just existing part we just clearing it, like cutting it off. Degrees, angles, each and every pinpoint was very much clear about the holding strength and all. So last section we're just going to take. Almost the haircut was finished in one side, and now we're just coming back with another side. So after watch till the end after the video, please let me know comments below how is it exactly the haircut. I want to know about the results, what and all comes out in end of the day. Then I can just really just energetically motivate myself to be next videos will be bringing in front of you with the different cases. So till then, just keep watching. Its last more 2 sections were done. If you like my video, please do like, and just don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you really like the videos, please suggest to your friends and do share with your friends. That can be, we can just massively just improve with all the skills bases, and we just educate platform we just bringing to the each and every students and all. So that can be helpful for each and every one. Almost my haircut gone to finished, and here you can just see the messy layers, and just I'm shaking off. You can just completely see the layers overall. So we can just see the how it's falling completely to the layers, and just bit point, like you can just see the V shape of kind of little bit of in the bottoms, and see the layers are extremely good and all. And I will just be doing with the root shift up to the volume booster blow dry, the root shifter. And this is, it will be one of the last point which you can just explain about to share with you guys. So hope so you like the video. Hit the like button, do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. We'll be meet up to the next videos. Till then, be safe, take care.